What's up, everyone? Today we have Human Torch from Diamond Select.
Yeah, it's one of their Marvel Select toys, right?
Yep.
7 inches, multiple points of articulation.
Yep.
And it's the Human Torch from the Fantastic Four in his fiery form,
Yep.
right?
This head can come off. It so you can see the original head. Also, if I could grab a Human Torch up there, I would show you. It's kind of like the original with no face, but then they slowly started giving him a face. I'm trying to put his head on. Can't do it, Daddy. My dad's doing it. Oh yeah, follow me on German Zim on Roblox.
So, what else? So he's got 2 heads that he comes with.
Yep, he's got this thing that can make him fly.
Wow, nice fiery. And I see some articulation in the bottom of the base. That's cool.
Yep, it's actually 2 parts. So if you just want to make a farthy trail behind him, you can do that.
Really cool.
And I'm just going to keep on the head with no facial features. It
So
kind of looks like he has eyes a little.
So what else does he come with?
Hands.
See the different hands.
What's this?
That's a fiery thing you put in between one of his fingers on his open hand.
And this hand?
Yep.
So it's supposed to go like right.
Yep.
I'm trying to put it in. These select stuff are hard for me. Like this?
Yep. So what are the other hands? So he comes with 2. He comes with a pair of fists, a pair of open hands, and
A pair of fiery hands.
and then let's see those fiery hands.
Here's one of them.
That looks like he's thrown multiple fire things.
Yep, and this one looks like he's
Getting ready
shooting.
to the fireball.
Yep, or flare ball.
Flare ball.
I heard that from Game Tunes and Gravity Falls.
So what's some of your favorite features about this? You think he's a cool action figure?
Yep.
And we already have a Thing action figure, so all we need left is Mr. Fantastic and the Invisible Woman, right?
Yep, and you could also, if you want, make a Franklin Richards.
Yep.
That's the son.
Yep.
You could also make a Herbie or whatever his name is.
Herbie is right.
Oh, I was pretty sure I was right. You could, that could be an accessory for one of them, like
Probably be, if they do a Mr. Fantastic, it'll probably be one for him.
Yep, and how about son? Would he be a extra? How about Franklin? Would he be an extra figure?
Probably would come with his mom, I would assume.
I was guessing that also. For a second, I thought his hand was off.
So, and who gave us this?
Diamond Select.
So what do we say to them?
Thank you, Diamond Select. Before I go, don't forget, I'm going to the Big Apple Comic Convention next week on Saturday. Hopefully I'll see you there, and bye!